Welcome back on this Halloween. At the Discovery Lab, kids can learn about science in a spooky way for the holiday.
News on 6's Meredith McCown is live with the eerie experiment for us. Hey, Meredith.
Hey, good morning. We got our safety goggles on. We're ready to go, and we're going to be making some fog this morning. What else do you think of when it comes to Halloween? We're with Chip Lindsay with education here at the Discovery Lab. And Chip, I mean, we've got some pretty cool stuff going on today.
Nothing is spookier at Halloween than good fog.
So true.
But, you know, how do you make it? What is it? What's it consist of? I mean, we made a little just a minute ago by dropping some dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide, and warm water. And as it changes from a solid to a really cold gas, it meets that water, and then it forms this really dense fog.
It's so cool.
So this is exactly the same fog that you would have covering a lake early in the morning or over the Arkansas River. It's just water, but this water is so microscopically small and carried in the air, and so it looks white, and it's lovely and kind of spooky as it covers the table.
Spooky.
But let's do a really quick experiment. This is kind of interesting. So I've got some dry ice bubbling away inside here with some warm water, and it makes the fog that's coming out here. Let's stick our nozzle in some bubble solution and make bubbles.
Whoa, and there's the soap, Dawn soap?
Yeah, just Dawn. It's just a dishwashing liquid, and then you can hold the fog, which is kind of cool.
I don't want to blow them away.
No, yeah, you don't blow them away. So hang on to the fog, and then, wait, I'll pop one or two, right? And you can see the fog is trapped inside. Now, wait, as you're holding it, if you look, the bubbles are actually getting a little bit smaller and a little more clear. And it's because those little microscopic drops of water are coalescing, and you can see it dripping off the bottom. You're holding a cloud, and you're making it rain. So
making it rain, okay.
It takes about 1 million of these little microscopic drops of water to make one drop of regular water.
So they're shrinking.
And shrinking and turning into water and dripping off the bottom.
So now can I
get rid of it?
Make it into...
Yeah, let's try it again. It was much more fun before.
We did that earlier and it explodes into fog. But I guess we can try it again.
Let's try it again.
So how does that happen?
So as the warm air of the soap solution gets in contact with a cold carbon dioxide, it forms this fog bank because it's converting the water gas into a liquid. And that liquid is little microscopic drops of water that form the cloud. Look at that one. Wow, that was a good one.
Ooh, it's so much fun to watch.
So
I can honestly do this for hours.
And it's like really, really fun, right? Your hands are now cleaner than they were before. Here, with the towel.
Oh, thank you.
And now,
very clean.
let's make fog in a different way.
Okay.
This time we're going to take some water, so it's warm water. You can feel that. Make sure it's warm.
Yes, it's very warm.
And then we're going to take something that's not dry ice. This is liquid nitrogen, and it's much colder than dry ice. Dry ice is about minus 98. This is
it's even colder.
Way colder. Minus 196. So just leave that right there.
Okay.
I'm going to pour a little in the top and watch the nature of this fog.
It just goes everywhere. And it's cold air.
Dense, right? It's really dense.
Wow.
Much colder and much denser. So this fog bank is like way more powerful than...
And it's staying in the air. It's kind of having that fog form as well.
So the cloud is much, much more dense. Now, it's not smoke because it's water. It's just a cloud that we can see and interact with and touch.
Wow, this is so cool. Well, Chip, thank you so much for telling us all about fog this morning. Anything else that people need to know?
Hey, we're open today on Halloween from 9:30 until 2, so come and see us. A lot of the staff are wacky costumes today, so wear your costume.
Everyone's dressed up. Everyone's dressed up. It's so much fun. Thank you, Chip.
Thanks, Meredith.
This was so cool. And again, Discovery Lab here open until 2 if you want to take the kids by before trick-or-treating festivities later tonight.
Thank you, Meredith. I am just mesmerized by that.
Right?
Awesome.
They're like, bring the kids out. I'm like, I think I want to come to the Discovery Lab. I don't have any kids to bring. But...
And what was the 196, the negative 196? What was that?
Liquid nitrogen.
So that makes the best fog, I think, is what we determined.
Yeah.
The liquid nitro.
It's just, you can't just go pick up liquid nitrogen.
That was my question.
So
like,
that's the,
not very
That's
handy.
why you can leave it to someone like Chip, to leave it to a professional to do that. But yeah, very